Hello, Witchfolk. Welcome to our coven. We are Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And here on this channel, we see makeup as something that is fun, creative, magical, and definitely for everybody. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button. So today we're trying out some new products. So this is a first impressions review tutorial. What are the products?
The products I discovered from Alexandra ANELE's channel, and she described them as the most beautiful makeups of the world. And they're from China. And the brand is called Zeesea.
Yeah.
Zeesea. And this is what the lipstick came in. So we just got 3 things. We got 2 palettes and a lipstick. Mm-hmm. And it looks like this. Check it out. This is just a lipstick. And it's got weight.
Yeah.
It's weighty. It's got a magnet.
So pretty.
I wish I'd got more shades. I got the shade that I always think is my shade. And it just has a number in it, but it's reddish brown.
Yes.
That's what they describe it as.
So you probably
it smells
can't
delicious.
see, but in real life there's like dragons etched into
inside
the lipstick.
you don't even want to use it.
No.
This is just for collection. And then we bought 2 palettes as well. They're in collaboration with the British Museum.
Yes. So this is the part of the Alice in Wonderland part of that collab, and this is the Alice palette. I feel like it's all in the packaging. There's literally falling glitter when you move it.
It's so beautiful. It is the most beautiful makeup in the world.
And here are the colors. There's some really interesting shimmers here, like on the edges. They're like almost suspended in like a jelly, especially this like, what do you call this?
Pressed glitter.
Pressed glitter.
But it's got little, I think it's stars, right?
Yeah, there's stars.
So it's not your pressed glitter from ColourPop that makes you angry. This is just a thing in there that'll contain itself. It doesn't move around.
Yeah,
so
it's interesting.
Don't get your titties in a knot. And then look at the checkerboard.
Yeah.
Can you just do a little swatch out?
Smudged. Okay.
I smudged it.
She smudged it.
I haven't used it, but I had to swatch it.
So when you put it together, it makes like this shimmery pale blue. Pretty. Yeah, so I'm going to be using the Alice palette.
And I'm going to be using the Enchanting Egypt palette, still with the British Museum. And this one is the Ankh. We used to call it Ankh. We used to wear these jewelries in like grade 9. We had on a leather string, and it was like Ankh. We called it an Ankh.
Ankh.
Okay. Ankh. And it looks like this. It's got this thing in it. That's fine. And then it too is beautiful. It gives me very much Pat McGrath vibes. Anyway, there's this particular shade, I swear, is in the Bronze Seduction palette of Pat McGrath. And they're shimmery. There's this one that's really cute. One of those mottled shades you see. And it comes out like that. So yeah, greens and pinks and reds. I don't know what to do. It's very contradictory.
Yeah, I'm like really wanted to kind of use this orange and teal, but that's being in my safety zone. I think I'm going to try out this weirdo pressed glitter. There's little bows in it too.
Oh, from Alice, because she's a little girl. She's a little girl.
Okay, so that's what we've got today. Oh, we're going to throw in this blush palette I got from BoxyCharm. It's OPV Beauty London, Born to Shine. These are like massive blush pans.
It's cute, right? And then Angelique, what's her name? Angelica made me buy this from Pixi. It's like a glow blush. This one is the Peach Dew, and it's really cute. It's like a topper / it's a highlighter / blush.
So that's what we got today. We're going to try it out. I think go in with the eyes first.
Here we go.
That being said, there's no names on these, so we'll just sort of...
Yeah, You'll see. You should check out the website at least. We'll link it down below. And Alexandra's video.
Okay, I think I am going to go in with... I think I'm going to do like a halo with dark blue and then teal in the middle with that glitter on top.
Okay.
Alexandra now was saying that she found these to be really creamy, buildable, and while they're pigmented, you can easily shear it out. And I can already see that. Like, that was just so easy to put on.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I should mention that even though, like, it's from China, it is still a cruelty-free brand. Apparently, it falls under something called the Ordinary Cosmetics, where you don't have to test on animals, so that is great.
Yeah, I don't really have a plan. Again, I'm just gonna let creativity guide me.
Now I'm just packing this teal on, going a little bit above my crease.
I got something matching my sweatshirt. By the way, it's getting cold here. It's supposed to be spring, and it's cold. Cold as a witch's teat.
So now I'm gonna take the dark blue of this palette and start building it up on the outside. Okay, there's no fallout.
No, none
This
at
is
all.
not folly outy.
Not at all.
So it makes it really beginner friendly, I feel.
Yeah, me too. This pale pink shade, just to diffuse it. I'm gonna go green in the center. I meant to say in the inner corner.
I've prepped my eyelids with NARS Soft Matte Concealer, just so y'all know, and a little bit of setting powder, which has been my favorite.
I use the NARS eyeshadow primer.
So now I'm just kind of blending this a little bit. So I'm just sort of taking what pigment I have on my brush from the dark blue to sort of bridge across the crease.
I'm digging into that funny mottled green shade, but I made a mistake that I'm gonna rectify right now. I'm just gonna go.
What's your mistake?
I used the glitter shade first.
Oh.
I should always use that after. Anywho, I'm just doing this.
Okay. This is not done yet, but I just want to see how this crazy glitter is gonna layer on top. Sort of weird, like I don't know quite how to dig it into it because it's literally like sequins.
Is it good?
It's weird. It's sticky.
Which is good, because then it doesn't get all over the place, right?
Yeah, I almost want to take some of that checkered light blue and also put that in the middle along with this. Yeah.
That's what it's there for.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You used a dark teal underneath as the liner.
This is really pretty. I wonder why they made it checkered. It's not like you can access
I
the-
think just for fun,
Just
because
for-
it's, you know, Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah.
I think it's smart.
I wonder what Alice in Wonderland we were trying to figure out has to do with the British Museum. Do they have
Do we know?
an exhibit of Alice?
Do any of you British people know?
Okay, that is really pretty. That checked color. And again, it has like this consistency that's like jelly-y. It's hard to describe. So then I'm gonna take those weird glitters. I wish you could see this. Oh, is that a flower?
Oh, cute.
Oh, I'm just kind of making this blend a little blendier.
Yeah, I think I just did something only a mother could love.
What? Your whole look, or
Oh, look. Yeah.
only a mother could love
Only
it?
a mother could love this.
I'm gonna take sort of this peachy tone to help with this blend. Now, the real question is, what do I put on my lower lash line? Gold? Gold.
Gold.
These shimmers are really nice. They're just really easy to use. Super blendable along with the mattes. It's kind of a unique formula for me. I can't think of anything similar, to be honest.
Yeah, me too.
So I'm just carefully getting this in the inner corner a little bit and bringing it all the way across. Yeah, I want to see how this looks with some lashes. I think it's
I think mine's pretty.
The only thing is my eyes are creasing over the little flakes of bows and stars.
Okay, let's put on our lashes.
Okay, we're going to put on mascara and lashes and be right back.
Okay, we're gonna try this OPV Beauty thing. I can't wait.
Just putting some gold in the waterline because it matches.
I love this. This has got little stars. Stars. Isn't it cute?
Okay, I think I'm gonna go pinky? Like that bright fuchsia unstoppable. Maybe mix a bit of the orange. You?
Yeah, I think I'll just do this. Beep.
It's pigmented. When I used it before, it was like, but that's what I like in a blush.
Everyone's into blush lately.
Are they?
Yeah, it's the thing.
I'm good. Oh, I do have a bit of fallout. I do.
With what?
From the eyeshadow, I just didn't notice it. Just a little.
Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna try this Pixi Glow.
Putting a lot of blush, I'll take it back a little with my foundation brush from when I put my base on because I need to clean up that fallout.
There, ooh, so pretty. So pretty.
I'm gonna put a bit of bronzer.
I have a floater in my eye.
Just go to the eye doctor for it.
It feels...
Do you see it right now?
Yeah. It's going like this. It's moving. Over the weekend, I brought my little doggies to the pet groomer.
Yeah, oh my god, you should put a before and after up here.
Yes. They're so cute.
They've never been like professionally groomed before and they're hilarious. Oh my god.
They're so happy. They're so proud of themselves. I thought the only reason I didn't take them was because I thought they'd behave badly. Because the one dog that I have, the little Chihuahua, he's never been on a leash. Because you put a leash on him and he flips like a fish.
And screams at the top of his lungs.
Screams like he's like so dramatic. So I carry him places and then he just goes to off-leash dog parks. And he's really good in general. Like he comes when called, so. But I thought he would be the worst, but she said, Klaus, the big fluffy one, was the naughty one.
Boy, I could have called that. You ready for
Are you gonna
lips?
do? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna just dig into this baby.
Yeah, you use that. I'm just gonna use one of my new Rare Beauty colors. I'm trying to decide which one. Either something sort of a pinky red or like an orangey red.
Oh, this is a good formula. It's like the kind I like matte but creamy. Oh, it just goes like this. I love a magnet. Boop.
Okay, finished. This is fun. Look, that gold in this palette is really stunning, really easy to use. I have to say that I'm getting a bit of creasing because this is almost like a, it's a liquidy. It's jelly-y. So that solution has created a bit of creasing. That's fine.
And you don't have to use that. That's just a fun
That's just
thing.
like a fun
You
thing.
could probably put it anywhere, like on your cheekbones or something like that, if you were a club kid.
If you're a club kid, yeah. I'm impressed though. I wasn't really sure what to expect. I'm like, is this all going to be in the packaging? Are you going to be deceptive? But no, they are really nice formulas. The mattes are super, super blendable.
I love this.
I say.
I'm in love. I tell you, I'm in love. It's just, it reminds me of Pat McGrath at a fraction of the price point.
Yeah,
guys.
it's not too expensive.
And it was also, it didn't take too long to get here. Like next door, your neighbor said, you ordered from China? You're so brave. She's Chinese. And it wasn't like, what do you mean, brave? Like, it didn't take long at all.
Yeah.
Like, I ordered things from Canada. You know who you are. Rhymes with Miona. Took months.
Yeah, well, those are
That's a different thing. But you know who you are. Months. And they're just up the street.
True. How did you like the lipstick?
I love it.
It smells delicious.
Yeah, it's my favorite kind of formula. I really like it.
Can you imagine whipping that out in like a ladies' restroom?
Imagine you're on a date, a Tinder date, and you're like, hello.
Let's hope they would think it was awesome.
Sexy. Yeah.
Any last thoughts?
That's it for me.
Yeah.
I love this little,
Blush palette.
beauty box find. Love it. And I love my new Pixi.
Yeah, so definitely check out Zeesea Cosmetics. We're going to link them down below. Also the Alexandra ANELE video. And that's about it.
That's about it, guys.
So stay witchy, stay bitchy, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, witches.